Welcome to the world of Dell Boomi Undeployment. Imagine putting a pause on something no longer needed. We'll touch on what undeployment means, why it matters, where it's useful, and a quick peek at the steps involved. Think of it as spring cleaning for your processes. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott, and for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Let's unravel the mysteries of deployed items. These could be your processes, configurations, or integrations. I'll briefly guide you through their life cycle and why keeping tabs on them is crucial. Think of them as the tools of your trade. Why undeploy? Maybe a process has outlived its purpose, or we want to boost performance. Compliance and cleanup are also great reasons. Like swapping out an old gadget for a shiny new one, it just makes sense. Environments are like stages in a play, they set the scene for your processes. I'll briefly touch on what they are, their types, and their role in undeployment. Think of this as your backstage pass. A preparation is key. Before you undeploy, ensure you understand the setup, have the right permissions, back up critical data, and notify everyone involved. Think of it like planning a smooth road trip, no surprises. Let's get hands-on with the Dell Boomi platform. From logging in to navigating its tools, I'll make this process as smooth as cruising through your favorite app. Buckle up, it's user-friendly. Time to dig into the deployment section. I'll show you how to find it, decode its layout, and navigate its features. Think of this as your treasure map to undeployment. Choosing the right process to undeploy is like finding the needle in a haystack, except I'll make it easier. From filters to previews, I've got your back. Say goodbye to what's no longer needed. Before you hit that undeploy button, let's validate dependencies. We'll make sure linked processes are fine, conflicts are resolved, and there are no surprises waiting. Prevention is better than cure, right? Finally, let's talk undeployment methods, manual vs. automated. Each has its charm and use case. I'll walk you through both so you'll know which suits your needs. Ready to wrap this up? Rolling back a deployment isn't just hitting undo. It's more like carefully rewinding a movie without messing up the storyline. Before deployment, define a rollback strategy. Assess risks, because let's face it, surprises are fun in movies, not in production environments. Keep backups ready, think of them as safety nets for your system. And always test rollback procedures beforehand, unless you enjoy unpredictable plot twists. Undeployment errors are like unexpected potholes on a smooth highway. Identify common pitfalls ahead of time. Automated error detection is your GPS. It'll warn you before you hit trouble. Logging errors isn't just paperwork, it's your detective tool to trace what went wrong. And if things go south, have a solid recovery plan, because hope for the best, plan for the worst wasn't written just for dramatic effect. Undeploying a process isn't just pressing delete, it's more like pulling out a Jenga block and hoping the tower stays upright. First, assess business impact, or you might unknowingly remove a mission-critical piece. Identify dependencies, because breaking one link might send ripples through your system. A performance evaluation ensures nothing slows down unexpectedly. And finally, talk to stakeholders. Nobody likes surprises in business except for surprise bonuses. Safe undeployment is like landing an airplane, smooth, controlled, and zero panic. Document the plan so nobody ends up guessing mid-flight. Automate mundane tasks, because manual errors are like turbulence, unpredictable. Gradual undeployment helps with stability, think of it like a cautious descent. And always validate changes afterward, unless you enjoy mysterious system behaviors. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.